Good morning, America. It's our second hour.
Summer heats up. It is the perfect time to revamp your routine when it comes to your skin and your eye care. Joining us now with some helpful tips are clinical esthetician Isabel McLeod and optometrist Dr. Jennifer Tsai. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to talk eye care in just a moment. We're going to start with skincare, Isabel.
Yes.
And let's talk about skincare. You say to look at it as a pyramid.
Yeah.
Right? So what's step one in this pyramid of yours?
So I think it's super important to keep it really simple. And with all the skincare out there nowadays, it can be very confusing. So if you can think of it as in 3 steps. Step 1, a super healthy foundation. Proper cleansing, my personal favorite, a good vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is going to help lighten, tighten, brighten the skin. Nowadays, I feel like we all should know we have to use a good sunscreen.
I know.
And there's so many good ones. And then remember to reapply because sunscreen only lasts about 80 to 90 minutes.
What about step 2?
Step 2 are more advanced treatments. They're going to be correcting products like retinols, AHAs, BHAs. Things are going to kind of help you age gracefully and correct and rejuvenate the skin.
What about step 3?
So step 3 are going to be like your anti-aging superstars, growth factors, stem cells, peptides, and these really bring luminosity to the skin. They do recommend consulting with an esthetician or a dermatologist to really make sure that you're finding your regimen for your unique needs.
Good advice to check with an expert.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Isabel. Let's talk about our eyes, because with all this heat and we're outside so much, how can we protect our eyes?
Yeah. Eye protection is important, and oftentimes we don't think about eye health. If your eyes are irritated and red, often from traveling on flights, redness relief drops are great.
Okay, are all sunglasses built the same, or are some better at protecting our eyes than others?
I'm so glad you asked that because they are not made the same way. So one of the tips I would recommend is to always look for UVA, UVB protection. A way to look for that is to check the labels. Oftentimes in the summer there's a lot of water activities with reflective surfaces, so polarized lenses are great for those type of activities.
Should we be wearing goggles to protect our eyes while we're swimming?
Goggles is quite important when you swim because there are a lot of eye infections, a lot of bacterial contaminants in oceans and lakes and pools even. So when you wear goggles, you're really protecting your eyes from possible infections. But also another tip is to switch to daily contact lenses because you can dispose of them shortly afterwards.
And you can wear those underwater?
You can wear them underwater, but again, right after, you just toss them out because you're going to put in a fresh pair afterwards. It's also great to consider, oftentimes when you travel and you drive, to have sunshades in the car. So this is a great example of having that protection from glare and in UV light.
Great advice. I love that. Thank you both so much.